Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme in your Samsung Galaxy M51, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here LED keyboard. And we have to get this application from the ZX Studio, so let's install. Right now let's open, click enable and tap right here on this switcher, then click 2 times OK. Go back, click select and select LED keyboard. Right now we have to scroll down and click here on the unlimited. For example, this is my favorite theme and that's why I'm going to set it up. Click save, and after that just check how our keyboard theme is going to look right now. As you can see, it is animated and for me it looks really cool. Of course we can change for any other, so for example we can go for the wide LED. This one, it looks also cool. And you can also pick up the live theme, and the live looks like that, so I think that I'm going to go for the wave. And you can see that's how the live theme looks, and you can set it up also with the simple save keyboard button. So that's how we can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.